In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Supabase MCP server to Google Antigravity. To get started, you can refer to the official documentation, which covers connecting Supabase to Google Antigravity. If you scroll down, you'll see options to keep it hosted and read-only, along with a list of supported client agents where you can select Google Antigravity. While the manual configuration details are listed there, the easiest way to set this up is directly inside Google Antigravity. Open Google Antigravity and toggle the agent panel. Click the three dots icon in the top right to open additional options. Then go to Customization and select MCP Server.
Search for Supabase in the search bar. When it appears, click on it to open the details and click Install. Adding this MCP server allows your AI agent to manage tables, fetch configurations, run SQL queries, and manage database functions directly across your Supabase projects. Once installed, you'll see an error saying failing initialize authentications. Don't worry, this is expected. To resolve it, click the settings icon at the top and select Antigravity IDE user settings. Inside user settings, head over to the customization tab. You'll see your newly installed MCP server listed with an authenticate button. Click authenticate and it will redirect you to your browser.
In your browser, select your Supabase organization. I'll choose my e-commerce project here and review the required permissions. Click Authorize Antigravity Client. Once authorized, copy the generated authentication code from the page, switch back to Google Antigravity, paste the code into the prompt, and click Submit. You'll get a confirmation that Supabase is successfully connected. If you refresh the view, the previous initialization error will be gone. To verify everything is working, jump into the agent chat and send a test prompt like, "Is Supabase connected?" As you can see, the agent confirms that the Supabase MCP server is connected, active, and ready to use.